our focus to the state of Karnataka. Amid ongoing part assault, now a renaming row has hit Karnataka. After 9 months after it was first mooted, the proposal to rename Ramnagar district as Bangalore South has once again gained this steam and is generating a lot of political heat. Now, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar-led delegation has met the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and submitted a memorandum to raise the pitch. The proposal gains significance as it comes in fact, just ahead of the Assembly by-polls in the state of Karnataka. Now, the date for which this will be changed is yet to be announced, and the by-election has been necessitated after the MLA there from there, H.D. Kumaraswamy of JDS, was elected to Lok Sabha from Mandya. Now, Shiv Kumar, who hails from Channapatna district, says that he's looking to cash in on the impact of the brand Bangalore on the smaller nearby towns. Now, the Chief Minister has also agreed to place it before the cabinet.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಬೆಳೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಮಾಗಡಿಗೆ, ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣಕ್ಕೆ, ರಾಮನಗರಕ್ಕೆ, ಕನಕಪುರಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈಸೂರವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸು, ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅವರ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Now, in case you're wondering why Ramnagar has become so important, let's elaborate on that. Now, this has been a home turf of the BJP ally JDS for several decades. Now, at the same time, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar also has a robust presence in the district. Now, therefore, the proposal has ruffled the feathers of the BJP JDS combined, whose erstwhile coalition government led by the then Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy had carved out the district in 2007. Now, the locals also cite history to oppose this move by the Congress party.
Yes, Rama came here about 5 to 6 years for Vanavasa. When he came, he stayed here. Akashvani came from the Rama. This place is so beautiful. I'll be here, Rama said. So Rama is here itself. So that is called, when Rama came here, that is a place called Ramnagara. It has been fixed like that. That is a valuable name itself because Rama came here, and we also we have no opinion for changing the name because it has also very oldest history for this Ramnagara place. So it has to be Ramnagara itself. Bangalore South is not good for anybody.
ರಾಮನಗರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು. ಇವರು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಟ್ ರಾಮನಗರ ಹೆಸರುವೇ ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ,
ರಾಮನಗರ ಹೆಸರೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ರಾಮನ ಹೆಸರು ಐತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮನಗರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರಾಮನಗರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ.
ಬೇಡ ಮೇಡಮ್, ರಾಮನಗರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಏನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಮನಗರ?
ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದು ರಾಮನ್ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಬೇರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರಾಮದೇವ್ರ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಇರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರಾಮನಗರ.
Now, as far as BJP is concerned, the BJP is calling it just a bit to erase the Lord Ram's name and a continuation of Congress's anti-Ram and anti-Hindu stance. Have a look.
See, always Congress, whenever we are doing any renaming, they used to have always objection. Now it is in the name of Rama, Ramanagara. What is the problem of the Congress government with Rama? They don't like Rama's name to be there?
After saying that Ramji does not exist, opposing Ram Mandir, batting for Babri, now D.K. Shivkumar is planning and conspiring to rename Ramnagar district in Karnataka. Imagine the vengeance. Imagine the only motivation is to create some benefits for your real estate friends.
Now, I don't see any logical reasoning because for development, you don't need to change the name of a district to do development. All you need is commitment, conviction, and the willingness to do development for the welfare of the people.